Let's learn some first aid kit names. Kids, are you ready? Let's go!
Yeah!
This is a stethoscope.
Yeah! This is my stethoscope. I use it to listen to Teddy's heart. See?
This is a thermometer.
Yeah! You turn it on here and then point it at your friend. Look, a happy face means they feel great.
This is an otoscope.
Yeah!
Okay, gently look inside. What do you see in there?
It's just a little furry, but it looks healthy.
This is a syringe.
Yeah! Look, you push the plunger down like this. Now Teddy is getting his medicine. See? It doesn't hurt.
This is a blood pressure machine.
Yeah! First you wrap the cuff, then you pump it up like this.
This is a reflex hammer.
Yeah! Watch this. When I tap my knee, it kicks all by itself. See?
This is a scissor.
Yeah!
This is a tweezer.
Yeah! Great job, Doctor. You successfully moved the red germ. I did it!
This is a medicine bottle.
Yeah! Look at my toy medicine bottle. It has colorful pills inside. We have to be careful with medicine, so we keep the cap on tight.
This is a bandage.
Yeah! All fixed. You were very brave. Now you get a hug.
This is a first aid box.
Yeah! Let's check Teddy's heart. Beep boop. Now he needs a bandage.
This is an x-ray sheet.
Yeah! Look, this is my hand. And this is my foot. See the bones inside.
This is a mask.
Yeah! Okay, Teddy, let's listen to your heart. It goes thump thump. See? He's very healthy.
This is a clipboard.
Yeah! Hi, everyone. Today we are going to learn about the human body. I have my checklist right here.
This is a dental mirror.
Yeah! Today we're using the dental mirror. Let's see if Teddy has any cavities. Open up, Teddy. Wow, look at that tooth.
This is a cotton roll.
Yeah! Look, everyone. This is a cotton roll. We use it to clean boo-boos. It's super soft.
This is a doctor bag.
Yeah! Look at my doctor bag. Wow, this is the stethoscope. I can listen to your heartbeat. Okay, bye, everyone.
This is a gloves.
Yeah! Hi, everyone. Today I'm Dr. Lily. These are my special gloves. Let's look at the skeleton chart over here.
This is an eyeglasses.
Yeah! Do you know why I wear these glasses? They help me look closely at all my patients.
This is a tablet strip.
Yeah! Okay, so this is the prescription. You pop the pill out like this, see? It's very important to take your medicine.
This is an ambulance.
Yeah! This is the ambulance. It has a siren and a red cross right here. We use it to drive to the hospital really fast.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun and learning videos.